Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to create a video CV. So I'm going to be covering the entire creation process of a video CV, from the tips to recording your CV to the editing part of your CV. Now first of all, why create a video CV? A video CV can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Unless they've asked for one, I can guarantee you that you're going to be one of the very few people that are sent in a video CV. This will help you stand out more, and it will give the person who's looking over all of the CVs a breath of fresh air, because who are they going to remember the most? The 4 or 5 people that have sent in a video CV, or the 50 people that have just sent in a normal CV? In my opinion, video CVs give you more of an edge over other applicants. When should you create a video CV? So a video CV might not always be the best idea, but if you are applying for a job within the creative industry related to music, art, video editing, anything like that, a video CV is a great idea. And fun fact, making a video CV is actually what got me this job here with Veed. So I feel like I kind of know what I'm talking about. So now let's talk about some tips for the recording process of your video CV. First of all, a thing I like about video CVs is that there's no set format, unlike a written CV. So don't overthink what you're doing. Make sure you keep it short and sweet. I would say under 2 minutes. Mine was 1 minute and 44 seconds. Mention everything that they want to hear and everything that you think is important for that job position, and everything else that you don't think is super important but is still on your CV, you can just leave it on your written CV and attach a copy of that as well as your video CV. For example, what schools you went to and how long you were for at each school isn't super important, in my opinion, to put onto a video CV, unless that's something they ask for in particular. Remember to be confident and sell yourself. Talk to the camera as if you were talking to the interviewer. Be creative, be professional, and don't forget to ask for feedback before sending in your video CV. Now here's a few mistakes to avoid with your video CV. The first one would be recording it in an untidy setting. It doesn't look professional at all. So if you can get a backdrop, maybe something like this. This is literally just a sheet that I have stapled to the ceiling, and it gives a great backdrop and makes the videos look professional. Also, make sure you don't read off a script, because when you're reading off the script, it looks like you are looking to the side of the camera. People can notice, and you can also tell when someone is reading off a script. I highly suggest to write down a few bullet points so you have a structure to follow when it comes to recording your video CV, but make sure you're always looking at the camera, because when you are talking straight to the camera, you look more comfortable and the words flow a lot better, and you can tell that you're not reading. You can almost always tell when someone's reading off a script. And then finally, the last mistake to avoid is don't do anything that you wouldn't do in an interview. For example, if you wouldn't make a bunch of jokes in your interview, I wouldn't make a bunch of jokes in your video. Also, a quick bonus tip is to make sure you have good audio quality. Your video quality isn't super important. Your iPhone will do, or your smartphone, your Samsung, whichever phone you have. Pretty much all phones nowadays have good quality, but the audio quality is very important. Make sure that we can understand you loud and clear. And now finally, how to edit your video CV. So first of all, keep it clean and simple. Don't go overboard with effects and transitions and lots of things popping up on screen, unless of course you're applying for maybe a video editing job where that's what they're looking for. Clean and simple video makes it look professional. I highly suggest using a simple video editor such as Veed, which gives you all the tools you need to make a clean and simple video CV. I'm not going to show you exactly how to use Veed in this video, but I am going to put a tutorial up in the cards. But with Veed, you can use the trim and split tool to cut up and remove any video that you want to take out from your video CV. If you make any mistakes when it comes to recording your CV, you can quickly edit those mistakes out. You can use Veed's auto subtitle tool to automatically add subtitles to your video CV. Subtitles are great to help people understand your video CV loud and clear, and they also give it a more professional look. With Veed, you can also add a progress bar which shows them that the video isn't going to last 20 minutes, and I also feel like, again, it gives it a more professional look. You can also do all of the basics of video editing, such as adding text, images, sound, and a lot more. Veed can do everything that your video CV needs. If you do want to try out Veed, there's going to be a link in the description below. And that's it. Keep it clean, simple, and professional. Be confident and don't overthink. That's how to create a video CV. If you have any questions about how to create a video CV, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. And with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.